2 power a plus 4 power a is equal to 8 power a. Find the value of a. So at first we divided by 8 power a in both sides. So divided by 8 power a, divided by 8 power a, divided by 8 power a. Now this 8 power a, will be cancelled. So here on, here on. Now from here we see a same power but different base. So remember this exponential rule that x power n over y power n is equal to x over y, then bracket common power n. That means n same power but different base. Here a same power but different base. So according to this rule, I can write here 2 over 8, then bracket common power a plus again a same power but different base. So according to this exponential rule, we can write here 4 over 8, then bracket common power a, then is equal to 1 divided by 1, that means it will be 1. Now 2 simplified by 2, that means 1. 8 simplified by 2, that means 4. Then 4 divided by 4, that means 1. 8 divided by 4, that means 2. So we have 1 over 4, then bracket power of a plus 1 over 2 bracket power of a is equal to 1. Now 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 bracket power 2. Then this first bracket can be written as second bracket, then power of a plus 1 by 2 bracket power of a is equal to 1. Now here you can apply rule that x power m bracket power n is equal to x power n bracket power m. So according to this rule, I can write here 1 by 2 bracket power a, then second bracket power of 2 plus 1 by 2 bracket power a is equal to 1. Now we see 1 by 2 bracket power a, 1 by 2 bracket power a, both term is same. So let 1 by 2 bracket power a is substituted by y. So our equation will be y square plus y then is equal to 1. Now we can write here y square plus y, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here you can apply quadratic formula, so you can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to 1, After that, c will be equal to minus 1. Now y will be equal to minus b, that means 1, then plus or minus a square root of b square, that means it will be 1 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means negative 1, so it will be bracket negative 1, then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now I can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus a square root of 1 square is same as 1, minus times minus, that means plus 4 times 1 times 1, that means 4, then divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now we see here two cases, so you can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2, or y is equal to minus 1 minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2. But remember that let 1 by 2 bracket power a is substituted by y. So y, that means it will be 1 by 2 bracket power a is equal to plus a square root of 5, that means a square root of 5, then minus 1 divided by 2, or y, that means 1 by 2 bracket power a is equal to minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we see 1 by 2 bracket power any number is always positive, but minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we apply log in both sides, so you can write here log of 1 by 2 bracket power a is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now here we can apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. That means this power r will move to the base. So this power a will move to the base. So it will be a log 1 by 2 is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now we divided by log of 1 by 2 in both sides because we need the value of a. So divided by log of 1 by 2 divided by log of 1 by 2. So this log of 1 by 2, this log of 1 by 2 will be cancelled. So here a will be equal to this divided by this. That means it will be same that log of a square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, then base of 1 by 2. So this is the value of A. So this is our final
How
answer.
to solve this interesting math? 10. 4 to the power 10 plus 4 to the power 10 is equal to what? At first you take common 4 to the power 10. First bracket start. This divided by this. That is 1. Dear student, then plus 4 to the this divided by this. That means 1. Now 4 to the power 10 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 10 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 10, that means 20 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different 4. So we can write here 2 to the power 20 plus 1, that means 21. So 2 to the power 21 is the correct answer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.